Hey YouTube, I'm so happy to be posting again after forever. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a mini wedding cake thing, or like a 3-layer cake, and I really hope that you guys like it. It took me a really long time, so roll the clips. Okay, so first thing I'm doing is you need like a foam bottom like that, and I'm just gonna go ahead, and you should too, cover the bottom one in whatever color clay you'd like for the flavor to be. This is basically chocolate. So now I'm just rolling it out, smoothing it out so it looks better. Now I'm using some glaze to attach the second layer. I decided to put spots because this is actually for kind of like a dog, so that's why I did the spots, but you can do whatever as well. Now I covered the third layer with chocolate again, and then I used a different kind of glaze this time, but I stuck on the other one. Also make sure to please smooth it out if you want extra rolls. Here I'm making a tiny little whipped cream on the top of it. So there you go. Here now I'm going to be making strawberries. What I do is I turn these little red clay into teardrops, and I took green clay, light green clay, and I went ahead, I put it on top of the raindrop shape, and I made little holes, little indentations in them to have little seeds with a pencil. There I'm making like blueberries. I'm just going ahead, I'm taking like a bluish purplish clay, and I'm just going ahead, I am making little holes in them with pencil. Now I am attaching the fruit onto the cake. Piece of clay that I was going to put the bow on top of so that it looked like that. Okay, so now here is the final reveal on the wedding cake. It looks like this. It has a bow, it has a strawberry, some blueberries, a little whipped cream on top. I do have a cake stand for it that I will show you, and it is really cute, so hold on. When I said cake stand, I meant cake box, but so this is the cake box. It like closes or whatever too. But so if you put the thing in there, then it looks like that. And I think it's really cute. And this actually took you guys 3 minutes, but I had it in hyperlapse, and it took me about an hour and a half to make this. I really think that my work paid off. I think that it looks pretty nice. But thank you guys for watching today's video. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.